Good morning guys, it's Sunday today and I'm gonna do a quick 2 to 3 hour Sunday reset. I'm not gonna do any deep cleaning or anything like that because it's just not that kind of vibe. I still want to enjoy my afternoon. What time is it? It's 9:03 and I want to be done by lunchtime. So I've got 3 hours to get everything I want to get done ticked off. First thing is already ready because on Friday I ordered the groceries for me to pick up this morning and I just got the message to say that they're ready, so I just need to get changed and go pick those up. But yeah, I just kind of want to tidy the house up, prep some food, you know, just reset. This week at work is going to be a crazy busy week and I just don't want to have to think about things too much, so I'm going to do as much as I can this morning but still want to enjoy my afternoon. I've got groceries, I've got food prep, I've got a little bit of tidying up and cleaning, I've got laundry. I think that's it. And like the house is not in that bad of a state. I just want to reset it. So anyway, I'm going to get changed and go pick up the groceries. I decided to put the load of laundry on that I need to do before I go pick up the groceries, and it's just towels. So I just went around and picked up all the towels from around the house to wash them. That's all the laundry I actually have to do until Brett gets home later. He's been away on a camping trip for 4 days. So he will have just all his clothes and stuff when he gets home. But for now, it's only towels. This is my little picking up the groceries fit. Just some tights, a black tank, flanny, socks. I'll put on my Birks. I'm just literally going to do a click and collect and come back home. So this is all the groceries I got, and you'll never believe it. I bought eggs, and I haven't bought eggs in ages because they're never in stock, they're getting more expensive, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I bought eggs, and I was just getting them out of the car, and I dropped the bag that they're in on the driveway. So let's open them together and see if I just broke the pack of very expensive eggs. All right, moment of truth. Can already see one's cracked. Oh, okay. I think I only lost these 2 eggs here, so I still have 10 good eggs. Fantastic, that's not so bad, I can handle that. I haven't bought eggs because they're just getting so expensive and they're never in stock. And then I was like, no, this week, you know, Brett wants to like get back into, you know, eating healthy and all that, so I'll get him some eggs. And then I fucking break them. Classic. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna put all this away and then get on to the next thing. So I'm just gonna go around and tidy. I'm gonna do an area of the house at the time. I technically should be starting with like prepping food, but I just don't want to be stuck in the kitchen just yet. So I'm gonna start with the bedroom and nursery area because it's like one section of the house, tidy that and then vacuum it. Like I said, it's not that bad. I just want to freshen it up a little bit. That is the bedroom and the nursery done. The nursery is just a storage room at this point, so I just give it a quick vacuum. But the bedroom is all picked up, vacuumed, dusted, all of that. And I did do the ensuite. It's just really hard to film in there. I'm exhausted already. This is so fun. Actually, the towels should be done, so I'll do that and then pick up the lounge room and maybe dining room area. I'm just gonna work my way around the house and then end up in the kitchen. I think that's what I'm gonna do. We have landed in the kitchen. I have 3 things I need to prep. 2 are for Brett and really boring. I have to hard boil some eggs for his breakfast, and also he has cheese and crackers and cabana for lunch. The cheese and crackers are pre-packaged, but the cabana isn't, so I just have to cut that up and portion it. So that's pretty boring, but I'm gonna make myself some choc chip muffins for like work, because when I'm at work I just need a sweet treat. I'm gonna get started on all that. It's gonna be very boring to watch, I do apologize. I was going to make the muffins, but I don't have enough flour and I am not going to the shop. I'm going to the shop like either tomorrow or Tuesday to get some meat for Brett, so I might make them that night. I just can't be bothered right now, so. Anyway, so I guess now I just wait for the eggs to boil, because I'm just need to hard boil them, so I'll just wait for that. That is done. One of those eggs really did not want to be peeled, so I gave up, just ripped it apart, and I'm giving it to the dog. So I guess now I just need to clean the kitchen. And when I say clean, I'm gonna like tidy dishes, wipe down surfaces. I also need to wipe down the cupboard doors because the sun was hitting them this morning and it just wasn't pretty. So anyway, I'm gonna stop blabbing. I'm gonna get cleaning. It is just after midday. I'm gonna leave it here. I have accomplished almost everything I wanted to do. I couldn't make the muffins, and I still need to vacuum the spare room and tidy that up a bit, but my camera battery and the vacuum battery keep dying and it's just getting really annoying. So I'm just gonna stop here, have some lunch, chill out. So thank you very much for coming along with me on my little Sunday reset, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be in about 2 weeks.